bringing you the good news and the bad news of crypto. My name is Wayne.
And my name is Manish.
And if you like
Sorry,
money in
we are late today.
crypto,
Yeah.
make sure to hit that subscribe button. Yeah, team, sorry about that. Myself and Manish, we are also working, just like the average Joe there, trying to make a living on the streets of Singapore. So, bear with us in the next coming months. We will always aim to come on 9 p.m. Singapore time and 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So, apologize again. So, today, strategies Mike McGlone believes that Bitcoin can jump to 60,000 resistance versus 20,000 support. Let me share my screen. Here we go. So these strategies, Mike McGlone. It's a bit a tongue twister there, so you gotta bear with me. So the senior commodity strategist at Bloomberg Intelligence has been long on Bitcoin for a while now, and he said that last month that Bitcoin has a bullish ace up its sleeves. This week, the strategist analyst notes that Bitcoin prices will likely revert towards the 60,000 mark handle in contrast to 20,000 support range. On the 23rd of July, Bloomberg's senior exchange traded fund EFT analyst Eric Belchunas shared a screenshot of Mike McGlone's written statement concerning the current Bitcoin market after tapping a high of $35,960 on July 4th. The leading crypto asset tumbled to a low of 29,300 per unit 19 days later. On July 24th, Bitcoin managed to climb back up to 34,000 region as it has been slight trend reversals during the last 48 hours. Our crypto analyst Mike McGlone says Bitcoin is likely to hit 60,000 rather than 20k based on historical price pattern. Belchunas tweeted on Friday that also China's rejection of the open source software crypto asset may mark a plateau in the country's economic ascent. Belchunas added a few individuals responded to McGlone's take on, as one person did, that a hot take on China rejecting things is likely typical to show fear that something is better than your own currency. Every country that rejects Bitcoin is screaming the same thing. Balchunas replied to the comment and said it reminded him of the old jokes. Remind me of Chuck Norris jokes for some reason. China doesn't reject Bitcoin. Bitcoin rejects China, Balchunas said. So McGlone said that Bitcoin market akin to the 2018-2019 consolidation period. As far as McGlone's Bitcoin price forecast is concerned, the EFT analysis screenshot of McGlone's outlook said, our graphic depicts the benchmark of crypto akin to 2018 and 2019 consolidation price around 4,000 just before launching to 2019 peak at about 14,000. The more tactical trading-oriented bear seems to be proliferating when Bitcoin sustains at about 30% threshold below its 20-week moving average, allowing the buy and hold type to accumulate. Besides, China regulators have been cracking down on the cryptocurrency operations worldwide. Government officials in Europe want to ban anonymous transactions, and the European Commission has proposed legislation to ensure full traceability of crypto asset transfer. Let us know what you think in the comment section below on McGlone's Bitcoin price outlook. I can see Loon is saying roti prata flip.
Hey, looks like
But
Loon
FOMO.
had a roti
Loon
paratha
is
in a
very
dinner.
quick to dismiss any, and for those in America, roti prata is actually a bread that mostly the Indians, right?
Yeah, mostly the Indians.
Yeah, so
Yeah,
I think if some of you who actually been to
except
Singapore,
me, except me.
yeah, you will eat
Everybody.
chapati and yeah, so it's a bread. It's a form of a bread.
Yeah,
Yeah.
form of bread.
So Manish, what do you think? Bitcoin 60,000 at least is a good start for us.
Yeah, it's a good start for us, and probably it's going to hit soon. And I was very excited when I saw the complete market is green today. A couple of times after a long time, a couple of times I have logged into my Binance app and saw the market. Everything is green. Even Doji is going up. Bitcoin is going
Yeah.
crazy up. It's 12% high. Yep, Loon. We are also expecting 100K by end of this year.
Yeah, same. That's our price prediction. Special thanks to Mr. Elon. I'm gonna call him Elon. Not really Elon like George, but yeah, thanks to Mr. Elon, Jack Dorsey, and Kathy Woods for the 21st that kind of usher us into the entry of the bull. So let's hope that that stays. Lun is doing the Lun dance. So
Yeah,
we have
elbow
to, yeah.
cough, elbow cough.
Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna snippet out Loon's dance and maybe we can play that whenever we need to show the
Yeah,
rally of
yeah.
the bull.
We save it as a GIF,
We save it
GIF
as a
file.
GIF
Yeah,
so
so
we
whenever
can.
needed, right, we will just put in and place in. Also,
Yeah.
JP Morgan. Yeah, very good point, Loon. Yes,
Yeah. JP Morgan accepting the 5 coins, right? 5 crypto
five
coins
crypto.
or so. Yeah.
So
So a lot of
probably
things is coming in. So
by
um,
November, my guess is we are going to hit all-time high for this
I
Bitcoin
mean, we were covering
after the
news,
tap.
Manish, for the
Mm.
last 50 years. So far, guys, we have hit the 50th video, and we have increased the subscribers. So if you guys are join us, I mean, you about 100 of you guys actually subscribe to our channel. We welcome you. Come and join us. We will try our best to be at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time if you're based in the US. So come in and say hi. You know, we like to meet you, build a community together. So
Yeah.
that's all I have in the news, Manish. Good stuff, guys. We are going for a nice bull, good support level. So we'll see. We'll see. I think the next climb we should hit is the 40,000. We are going
Give
to
me a
hit,
while.
sorry,
Give me a while. I'm
41,000.
going to share something.
Yeah. So while Manish set that up, join us daily live on YouTube and Facebook, 9 p.m. Singapore time and 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you like money and crypto, make sure to smash that subscribe button. I do apologize for today. Myself and Manish, we are working.
So probably our day jobs
Yep,
sometime will
day
be
job. Hopefully in December I can quit, guys, and I can be a millionaire, and I can.
careful. Boss is also watching.
Oh, no, guys. Yeah, I love my job, and yeah, love Singapore. Take care.
All right. Okay. So let me share something, guys, because this comes so last minute. Some of our friends are asking about this new
Yeah.
coin to cover.
So I think Roger actually dropped me a text. And he's asking on how to purchase Moon Nation game. Last few days he was actually trying to actually purchase this through Pancake and MetaMask. Is there any other way to do it? So Manish is going to cover that today. Manish, over to you.
All right. Okay. So looking at the project, Moon Nations looks quite legitimate. They are very openly. They have mentioned their details. Their white papers looks legitimate. The team looks legitimate, and the roadmap of this coin is also looks very nice. So probably I just want to play this video because I'm also couldn't get time to do more research about it. But looking at a glimpse or the at a glance, I just run through the white papers. It looks quite promising to me.
Wow, let's check it out. Manish, go full screen, Manish. Yeah. I think you need to share with the screen, right?
Are you not able to hear the audio?
No, yeah, I can't. I think you need to click the audio and reshare. Looks very interesting. I think the website. I love the crypto space. I always find that they register. So let me just.
Is there a way to share with?
Oh, I can see our dear friend there, George. Pump. Yeah, you got no. Yeah.
No sound, right?
Strange. Can you check the sound there?
Okay.
Yeah, a bit strange.
Audio.
No. MNG. Let me see if I can share that. Sorry, guys.
Okay.
Just give
Anyway,
us-
it's very. There's no sound. It's just a music only.
Oh, okay,
So
okay,
there's no informations or interview kind of thing.
okay.
So
I see. Okay, fine. So they're just talking about the high-speed networks, moonnation.org.
yeah,
Quite
that's
slick.
all.
It reminds me of StarCraft, a game I used to
Yeah.
play.
So it's a gaming token, and you can see that total supply, right? The token supply. If you see 25% of supply in the Pancake liquidity pool,
Mm.
and then 5% supply to a marketing and development wallet. Let me make it bit bigger.
Yeah.
Oh,
Ah, they have a pre-sales launch.
yeah.
Mm.
So I think more visible, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So you see total supply, the numbers they have given here. The transaction fee is at 10%. Total transaction fee, liquidity 3%, reflections 3%, burn is 2%, and marketing and development 2%. So total supply distributed into four major areas. You have a widely sale, that is 39.5% of the supply. Then you have a pre-sales, which is 30.5% of the supply. Then you have a marketing and development wallet. I think they are coming up with their wallet also. It's a
Oh.
5% of supply and 25% of supply for a pancake liquidity pool. Looking at their team roadmap, let's check it out, their roadmap. In quarter 2 2021, they are promising token release and fundraising. They are looking for investors, website launch done, white paper release done, social media presence in all the major social media. They have a presence, then a promotional campaign and community building, token contract audit. That's a very important part of any cryptocurrencies. So if they're completing their audit in a first phase, that means it's a very good sign and they are serious about their project.
Mm.
And listing in coin market cap, CoinGecko, and Coin Hunt. That's really great. You can see I have just listed out this crypto in CoinGecko, and it's doing quite good
Right.
since it's launched.
They have a nice market cap. What is this? 5 million, right? Circulating supply is about 294 million.
Yes, and the day it launched, all-time
Mm.
high was 6 day ago,
Right.
and about a month, I think. Low time is yeah, low time, all-time low was a month ago. So I think if you see, the crypto is doing quite good,
Mm.
and they are up by 24.2%.
Mm. And
So
just to let you guys know, the trading volume also, I think the last time it was really high. The trading volume was on the 21st of July, and then it's down. But yeah, actually it's risen. Actually
yeah,
of
and that
last.
there's nothing called question mark here. There are lots of cryptos will come, right, where you will not get a datas on CoinGecko. They'll put the question mark, but you see here the
Hmm.
pricings, the market cap, everything is visible here.
Yeah, it was up the last 24 hours. It went up to about 24.2. In
Yeah.
the last 7 days, 900%.
Hmm.
30 days, 700%. It was up.
Okay.
So, Manish, how do we purchase this?
Yeah. So yeah, I was going through. If you see here,
The
they
team.
have quite transparent about their team, and our team is close knit group with a passion and experience in the field of cryptocurrencies, marketing, gaming, technology, and cybersecurity. Wow, what a powerful team, man!
Hmm.
And Ben Todar is the CEO. Their Twitter and LinkedIn account over here, quite good looking guy also.
Hmm.
Keen Howat is a marketing manager and Twitter account is also there. Director of technology Jay, graphic designer Lazada, and Mr. Joseph is a community manager. So team looks quite experienced. And the good part is they are transparent about their team. We can download the white paper. Probably we'll cover a white paper in some other day because I also want to do more research about this token. Let's move on how to buy this. Okay. All right. So as of now, you can buy using Pancake Swap. I have already listed out MNG token here, and you need a BNB to swap this cryptocurrency. So first I'm going to unlock my wallet. I am very much concerned about the other wallets what we are using in Pancake Swap. Now I completely trust Binance, so I'll go with Binance. Okay, Binance wallet I have already configured here. I have some cryptocurrencies, some BNB here. So let's see whether I can use that. Okay, first I need to Let's try to buy it with. Okay, it's BNB. I have to native token.
So I think Manish, a BNB coin has to swap into a Binance chain, right? BNB chain.
Yes, we need to swap it first.
That's the first step, and then use this Binance chain to actually swap to MNG.
Yeah. Okay. So
We'll talk a bit about the security after this purchase. Let's see if Manish can buy that. I'm not too sure, Roger, if you are online watching us. Just let us just do in a shout out in the
let's
comment
see
section below.
whether I'm able to swap it first, because the first part is we have to swap it into Binance Smart Chain. Okay, let's check.
So we also will also explain a bit about the security, because the last time we had a loophole between Pancake Swap as well as either MetaMask or Trust Wallet. So Manish here is actually using the Binance wallet, which honestly it's they are good in terms of security. So that's something that you guys want to take note.
I think directly I'll not be able to swap here.
Mm.
Let me see whether I can swap.
I'm sure
Clicking
it's
no,
not that straightforward, because knowing
it's not so
Roger, he's
straightforward to that.
he's quite well versed in this also.
Smart Chain.
Just give us a while, guys. Manish, if you want to figure that out, I can move on to the market. We can come back and see if you need time.
No worries. I think I will just explain the process first.
Okay.
Rather, we need to go and explain them. Okay, so you need a Binance Smart Chain coin, guys. You see the token color here. It's yellow and white. While as if you are buying a BNB, it's black. So that's the only difference. You have to buy a Binance Smart Chain crypto in order to use Pancake Swap. So as of now, I only have this much amount, and if you see, I'll be able to only buy 3,725. So let's try to swap it and see whether we are able to buy. Okay, so I think I need to approve the.
Wow. Okay. Good. Yeah. So there's a approving process there.
I need to disconnect first. Let me see. So generally what happen is when you try to swap it, it's ask you for the confirmation in your wallet. Once you click on your wallet, once you confirm it, you'll be able to buy it here. So here there's some connectivity issues. Probably we'll move on to another topic and we see by later once I convert this into a BNB coin. Let's see whether we are able to uh, buy it or
Sure.
swap it. Yeah.
Sure. Just maybe something just gonna cover about Ben Todar, if
Hmm.
you guys just want to see. Just something to take note. He is yeah, he's an entrepreneur. Oh, sorry. Let me just share the screen. Okay, so I'm on LinkedIn. Profiles is one of the checks you can just do to find out about Ben, right? He's an OTC stock market crypto, Moon Nation. It probably started maybe they 2016 to present. Okay, I'm not too sure why it took that long for them to actually reach this level. So that's something you need to actually check. But prior to that, he was chief executive officer for about 1 year, and he was in Ben's Burger, right? So he's at FNB. He was a marketing director, so sometimes when you look at this, you have to kind of make is he the type of person who actually have a series? Is he a serial entrepreneur? I think that's one thing you need to know. Or was he in the domain of cryptocurrency since 2009? Right. So if he's there for the last 10 years, that's something we do. But I think we have to do a bit of background check to know his direction and how he If you can see recently, he's looking for social media manager, right? Who will be able to take. Let's click that. Let's see what's going on here. Able to take a 10 million project, right? So most likely he might be talking. This was 3 days ago, so he might be talking about this current project, right? So he has a graphic design, and these are the list of people who actually applied for this. So I think that's one way to look into how he's actually going to allocate the money. If you can see, he's actually looking to grow this portion. So one, we look at the project, whether it has utility. Second is the team that they're going to build, the roadmap. So we need more time to read the technical documents to see what is the angle is coming. But good price run up in the last, as what Roger has told me, about 50%. I haven't really done a deep dive, so that's something that we can check. China selling USD bonds. People are backing up digital yen. Yeah, good one, Lun. We'll come to that shortly. So guys, a quick check on the markets. Crypto, we are at the 26. So I'm looking for this to actually hit back the 30. We have yet to see the 30s in the last month or so. So it was quite of a dull period over the last few months. Again, if you look at all the times we were actually low over since 2018, you can see that this 2021 has the biggest low points, and that accumulation is going to propel us. And every time we hit this low in terms of the fear, we bounce back up, right? It takes almost a few months. 2018 December, we bounced about July. It took us about 6 months, nice run up, and then we hit a big dive, right, sometime in August. So the same thing last year. With the COVID situation, we had a very nice up, and every time it goes up, the volume of wealth becomes bigger. So that is why, knowing the patterns of the past, we can kind of project that future, which means that this time round we have adoptions from institutions, countries, retail. Because previously, if you look 10 years ago, it wasn't that easy to actually purchase Bitcoin. Today, simple app, they don't really go deep dive into a kind of a KYC, which the country, policy makers are asking to do a KYC, meaning know your customer. Because in traditional markets, if you were to trade on the stock market, option trading, futures, forex, you have to go through a series of tests, and you have to go through like some form of exam in order to have access to the platform. But today, you don't need to. So in less than 5 minutes, you can open an account and start trading. So something to take note there. Good. It's exciting times for us to actually be presenting this nice run up into to December. So today, Sea of Green, Loon is doing his dance. So that's something that I'm also gonna do that. Love this green, and this green is darker, as you can see. Look at this, guys. Look at this beautiful, nice dark green. I have to find out. Maybe we should call this emerald, guys. So very nice move. Money are pouring in. So let's see. We still have 11,000 cryptos. We are 389 in the exchange. But guys, as of yesterday, I spoke that we were at 1.3 trillion. We are almost going to hit 1.4. But guess what? Today, we are 1.5 trillion. So money is pouring in, with the dominance of Bitcoin holding 47.2 and Ethereum 17%. So let's see what's happened over the last 24 hours with Bitcoin 13.4 up. Ethereum up by 10.82, USDT is up by 0.01, BNB is up by 8.26, Cardano's up by 10.82, XRP is up by 10.91, Doge is up by 13.29. Oh, 13.29, what is this? Oh, okay, that's high. USDC up by 0.08, Polkadot up by 12.07, and BUSD is up by 0.08. Chainlink up by 17.5, and Solana, wow, I got to start to go back and check all my coins. So that's going to be a very good time for us. I'm not going to put 6 months. Let's look what happens in the last month. Guys, look at this very fast. 1 month. Just 1 month. We were having negative. If you look at all our 50 videos, we were always talking about don't worry, hold. We will be, we will make it. We have seen this before. We were always trying to say, having that diamond hands. Don't worry. Don't be fooled by the FUD that is happening in the marketplace. And look, in just 1 month, we recovered 14%. Tell me, which investment you can do today in the traditional markets can get me 14%, right? So 20% up in Ethereum. Look at this, guys. Okay, Doge still under, but don't worry. I trust Mr. Elon, and he has not sold his Doge yet, and I'm sure it might be the people's currency. So Elon, if you're watching this, do support root zones. BUSD up by 0.02, Uniswap 13%, Bitcoin Cash, Solana slightly down, but we are going to hit the green. So let's see what happens over there. Bitcoin, we have moved. It was still cheap. So guys, especially Mr. Faisal Tan, you told me you will actually open your account and purchase the coins. I don't know whether it's still time for you. You have to get into it, and it's just a matter of days. You might miss this boat. Today, it's all about holding. So let's see. We had a nice run up, intensify. So now we are back down. So let's see. Transaction wise, still looks the same. I'm a bit curious. I'm trying to have question marks about this confirmed transaction per day. How is that possible with the nice run up, and we are still doing it as of yesterday? Sorry, it's 174. So let's see tomorrow. We will come back to validate this data. Why it's not at the, I would think maybe at the 300 and more of an uptrend. So it's a 1T minus 1 day. We will come back tomorrow and see what happens. If you look at the total hash rate, still we kind of stable down, right? Like normal charts, you can see it just moves and then suddenly there's this spurt. So there could be some control also on the mining for some reason. We have to see what happens. So Manish, that's all I have on my side. We can open up the channels.
Sure. And in the meantime, I just show how they can buy it. Though I have to convert it, but at least I can give a glimpse and idea how we can do. All right. So it's very simple, guys. You have to have your Binance token
You got to
here.
zoom, Manish.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. So it's simple, guys. You should have a Binance Smart Chain coin here, and you should be. Let me log out and connect to our wallet. Any of this MetaMask Trust Wallet or your Binance Chain wallet.
Yeah, so we're not
So
going to use MetaMask and Trust Wallet right now because there's a protocol hack.
yeah,
So we're going to use Binance.
correct. And then on top of it, what you have to take a note: this kind of cryptos which recently listed, you have to give some kind of slippage tolerance to 12%.
Oh,
Okay. Probably in other videos we will cover this, why this slippers tolerance is required. This is just for your information. Keep it in your mind. This is required for a faster transactions. If you give higher slippage
oh.
tolerance, the validity, the proof of stake validations will be faster.
Now I understand that.
Yeah. So keeping the Binance coin, what I have it here, I can buy 3,779. I
Wow.
click on swap and price updated, accept, confirm swap. Then it will go to your wallet, whichever wallet you have connected in, and you have to approve in your wallet. See, the request is going to Binance. If I are you able to see?
Yeah. I'm actually seeing it.
No, you are not seeing the full thing, I think. Okay, it goes to Binance. It's just gone to Binance. Okay, yeah, you're
It takes some
probably
time. Huh? It takes
no.
some time.
It's coming here. Let me share the full screen first.
Oh, okay.
Where is that? Okay.
So if you guys have any questions on it, if you missed it, you can rewatch this video or maybe just type in the channel. We can share
Right.
more.
So you can see here, and the Binance wallet already prompted.
Oh,
Yes. So
okay.
you see the gas fee already charging 54. If I have amount, it will allow us to confirm the transactions. So let's see. Yes, transaction submitted, and we have successfully purchased the crypto coin, which is MNG. It's gonna take some time, and after that, it will list down here, eh, probably here in my this asset list. So it's going to take some time because the transactions goes through a certain process, certain validation process, and after that I get a notification in my wallet that the crypto been purchased already. So here is already processed, and in some time, probably 5 to 10 minutes, it will show here in my wallet.
Awesome.
Okay, so finally, I think we are able to show live how you can buy this Moon Nation gaming coin.
Yeah, looks good. I'm gonna do a bit more research on that. Thanks, Roger, for sharing that opportunity. I know we kind of missed it, that nice bull run, but I think even owning the coin now in the bull market, most of the coins will start to go up. As you can see, money is pouring in.
Yeah.
Loon is yeah. So Loon was saying the China is selling USD bonds. People are backing the digital yuan. Uh, the wizard of Wall Street, Ray Dalio, is getting out of bonds. So when I mean this guy is he's really the wizard. He has studied the markets of long term cycle debts, short term. He understands economics. He ever did a video also, a 30 minutes video on the mechanics of economics. So if you guys want foundation, just check out Ray Dalio on economics. I think it's a 30-minute show. Amazing guy, amazing show also. And yeah, so I mean, I don't know much on how the mechanics work. I just know that when bonds is used as a hedge, when interest rates are low, the bonds are high. When interest rates are high, the bonds are low. So I understand that mechanics of that. Personally, I have bonds. I have bonds as part of my personal portfolio, something which I've shared a while back on having bonds, about 60%, out of which 40%, 30% should be stocks. And the other 10% you can actually break into crypto, or you can break into what is this? Options, right? Options, because you need something that is fast. But of course, if you do that way, it might be very long to actually build a really good portfolio. And I made a recent move to actually sell all my entire stock portfolio. I only kept the bonds, and what I did was I put a lot of the money into the crypto space. So that's what I'm doing now, and I'm exploring different functions. I'm exploring options trading now in the option space, and Manish is doing futures, and he's going to share a bit on margin trading and all. Of course, these are all high risk. You got to have a good foundation in building basic portfolio of dollar cost average, 50% of Bitcoin and 50% of the rest of the altcoins, before trying to dabble in those maybe 10% of your portfolio and 5% to learn, just to learn and understand.
Yeah, I just wanted to show how we can see our cryptos and confirm whether it's the purchase is successful.
Sure.
So, all right, let me show you. Sorry, this wallet. I can show you a bit. Okay, so how you can confirm your transaction is successful? First thing is go to activity, and you can see that smart contract has already been completed. And you want to add a asset, you have to come here. You'll not be able to find asset here because this is not listed in any of the exchange yet. So you can go to CoinGecko. Okay, go to CoinGecko and copy this address here, the contract address. You see,
Mm.
click to copy. Once you click on copy, you'll be able to copy the address. Then come down here, custom assets, put here, paste it.
Mm.
And you can see here we have successfully purchased this many mngs. Add to assets. Now your asset is added in
Wow.
your here.
Awesome.
Yes, and you can list out. So
Mm.
you can see 3402 cryptos we have purchased, Moon Nation game, and it's successfully we able to add it in our asset list.
Awesome. And do one thing. You can always disconnect your wallet to
Yes,
Pancake.
so as in good practice, come
Yeah.
here and log out.
Log out. So don't
Yes.
leave it on. Of course, we trust Binance. We trust Binance. So I don't think Binance will be hacked in terms of the protocol. If they do, I think CZ will send a formal apology to Root Zones, CEO of Binance.
Yeah,
But
and
don't do
probably
that.
he also personally want to say sorry, meet for coffee, cup of coffee, and then want to personally say sorry.
So yeah. So guys, thank you for joining us today. I don't think we have any more questions. I will contact my friend over after this. So with that, we'll see you tomorrow, same time, same channel. Manish.
And if you have any further questions, irrespective of anything, and probably for Moon Nation games, which we have successfully purchased it, do let us know.
Take care, guys.
Take care.
Today we can't play the end game, so I have to just end the